Today, I would like to explain to you why it's so important for developers of mobility providers or booking softwares to use a generic API like our INVERS API with CloudConnect. First of all, we have to note that each API of a telematics or vehicle manufacturer is very different. I would like to use an example to show you why CloudConnect standardization and translation services are needed. A very important vehicle state value for our customers is the fuel level. Depending on the API of the vehicle or telematics manufacturer, this value can be returned in liters, as a percentage, or for instance in gallons. And this also may vary with regards to vehicle models or types. Another example is the API command to make a vehicle ready for driving. In one API, the command could be called start vehicle, in another turn on vehicle, and in a third one unlock immobilizer. All commands have the same purpose, but vary in their naming in their different APIs. In order to master all of the different return values and different command namings of APIs as a developer, you have to intensively study the respective APIs you want to use, which requires a lot of time and is therefore very expensive. For instance, it would be much easier if the fuel level would always be returned as a percentage and the command to make vehicles ready for driving would always be the same for all vehicles with their respective telematics and APIs. So we see that for developers, these are big pain points and create unnecessary complexity because there's no standard. And that's where CloudConnect comes into play. We create the standard by making our OneAPI commands and responses consistent, normalized and standardized, regardless of the underlying API of the installed telematics in a vehicle. This allows developers to focus fully on the essential work, such as, for example, optimizing booking processes for end customers, and leaves the complexity to our INVERS API with CloudConnect.